Today, I want to share with you a cornmeal fried eggplant recipe that especially eggplant lovers will really enjoy. Let's peel 1 kilo of eggplant in a striped pattern. Then, let's cut the peeled eggplants in half lengthwise. Into the water we've boiled to about half a pot. Let's add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir. And add the prepared eggplant into the boiling water. Let the eggplants boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they soften. My eggplants have been boiling for 10 minutes. As you can see, they have softened. Let's drain them well with a colander and place them in cold water. The reason we do this is so the eggplants cool down quickly and stop cooking. Then, let's put them in a strainer. Then, as you see in the video, let's try to squeeze out as much water as possible in the palms of our hands. Let's shred the eggplants we squeezed the water out of into large pieces, as you see in the video. Then, I used 2 village peppers and 1 small red bell pepper. Let's chop them into thin, long julienne strips, as you see in the video. Then, let's add them on top of the shredded eggplant. 1 or 2 cloves of grated garlic. A few sprigs of chopped parsley. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt. Initially, I added about 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. I will add more later if necessary. Let's mix by combining with our hands. And I added about 1 more tablespoon of cornmeal. I added a total of 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. Let's mix well. Let's put a 1/4 teacup of oil into a wide non-stick pan. Let's place our eggplant mixture on top, just like lining up fish. And put it on the stove. Let it cook over medium heat until the bottom side is golden brown. When the bottom is nicely browned, let's flip it onto a flat plate. And put about 2 to 3 more tablespoons of oil into the pan again. And add the flipped eggplant on top. Let's fry the other side the same way over medium heat. Let's remove our eggplant, which is browned on both sides, from the stove. And serve it hot. It turned out to be a very light and delicious recipe. I hope you try it and like it too. If you have watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest. Backquote, backquote, backquote.